We are Body Smart, and we help busy women understand how to lose weight for the final time and keep it off for good. We are not a diet plan, a diet club, or an app. What we provide is the ultimate one-on-one coaching journey that blends mindset coaching, nutrition coaching, and fitness coaching. Together with your Body Smart coach, we will help you grow into a strong, unstoppable goal-getter who believes in herself and knows she can take on anything life throws at her. To ensure you achieve sustainable results for life, we work with you on 3 important phases. Phase 1 is the fat loss phase. We are lifestyle coaches, not just fat loss coaches, so we teach you how to factor all the foods you love into your lifestyle. Yes, you can eat pizza, ice cream, and enjoy a glass of wine whilst getting results. We'll show you how. You'll develop a really close working relationship with your personal Body Smart coach, who'll create customized workout plans, hold you accountable, and challenge the thoughts that have been holding you back. You'll stay accountable to your coach through the week using WhatsApp. You'll follow a weekly check-in process to keep you on track, and you'll have monthly video strategy calls to work through any mindset struggles. Your coach will suggest and encourage different habits, behaviours, actions, and thoughts to ensure you succeed. And they will tell you what you need to hear, not necessarily what you want to hear, because your coach is 100% dedicated to you and your results. The second phase is reverse dieting. This vital part of achieving sustainable results is rarely offered with cookie-cutter meal or workout plans. Your coach will take you through a science-based model of reverse dieting to gradually increase your calorie intake. This is the most exciting phase as you start to eat more food, see increased results, and feel great. Phase 3 is maintenance. This is when you'll learn to maintain and sustain your results. By phase 3, you'll be permanently and effortlessly integrating the right healthy habits, behavior changes, and positive mindsets that will allow you to adjust your lifestyle with ease as life inevitably changes in the future. This is the most crucial phase, as 85 to 95% of people who lose weight put it back on over the next 2 to 3 years. We know you don't want that to happen, so your coach will ensure you have the right knowledge and the right habits for life. If you'd like to enroll on the last thing you'll ever need to create truly sustainable results, get in touch. Apply for one-to-one mindset, nutrition, and fitness coaching with Body Smart and get ready to change your life.